Recap of yesterday, and let me get into it. Yesterday I did some updates with regards to organizer calendar client event data is sent to a configured AWS simple email service box to process and store data. So that concept there was played out with a MailChimp template. I sent out MailChimp templates. I clicked a button. I got the calendar invite, and you'll see the calendar invites here, 1, 2, and 3. Essentially what I did was I sent out the original calendar invite by clicking a button. Then I updated the organizer's calendar client data, and then it was reprocessed in the AWS Calendar Invite Server. So here's what it looked like over here. Under create command, I opened up my organizer client. I went in and I updated it 3 times in the message body specifically. You could actually update anything you wanted in the calendar client itself with regards to the calendar invite, but I focused on the invite message body. So what happened here was I first created sending it to the API kit of the AWS Calendar Invite Server, which we created. That data is ingested here. If I go back a step, the data is ingested in here and captured and stored, and then I reprocessed it 3 more times with what essentially is the event updates, which I started here on the left side. They went to the AWS Calendar Invite Server inbox. We basically disassemble it and reassemble it and stored it, and then every time it's updated, we do the same process. Here's what it looked like in the end, though, to shut down this demo and get through it. Is I sent it 3 times here to the same create command using the calendar client as CRUD. The updates were processed and saved, hitting the API inbound. That is the AWS Calendar Invite API stack. And then on outbound, what happened was I sent calendar invite update 1, update 2, update 3. There's the evidence there here, July 30th from the data set of July 29th. Update 1 was I basically inserted into the message body over here. It reprocessed the stack, and then we automatically sent out the calendar invites. I essentially said, come by booth 342 for a free beer. And then I reprocessed the organizer data set to the API again, and I said, updated, come by booth 576. So I changed the booth number here in the calendar client on the CRUD engine side, and I ingested it and I changed it to booth 576. You'll note in here I had a typo, so I went back in and actually updated it the 3rd time, and I changed the typo here, or fixed the typo. You'll see that I had 3 updates and we reprocessed 3 calendar invites. That's the end of this slide content, and thanks for stopping by.